Sanibona Ndumelana Mshini, hi, welcome sithi misite sizabheka ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa alifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. One thing about uNomuzi Mabhena, angazi ukuthi uyifunde kanjani itimu kodwa uvele wasimangaza saba wosimakaleng saba wosimangele. Ngoba what do you mean? Everyone was wearing cowboy cowgirl vibes and then uNomuzi came ngesindebele. Hey, I thought it was one of those music videos awashuthayo or something else. But only to find with that was her outfit for the Durban July. What do you mean? Apparently, theme the Durban July was country, ale or alo angazi nje vibes, you know. And then Nomuzi angazi ukuthi uyinterprete kanjani because Nomuzi came with her full Ndebele regala. Yazini athi ngiyogqoka isikhethu. Hayibo. Although people on Twitter have mixed emotion, there's one person who tried to clarify ukuthi uNomuzi uyifunde kanjani, but still I'm lost because what you mean? Someone said country Allah celebrates the elegance of the countryside of South Africa, was it blending rural charm and elegance twist. And I'm like, okay. And this person mentioned that Ahmed Magdala is South Africa, what they used to wear, the vibes. And I'm like, hayibo. Warimenge understand isilungu qala ningichazeleni. Okay, good. And then you know me, because mina nje ngithanda uku-investigate. Even my stories I have to investigate. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked, what does this mean if they say I must wear outfit a country Allah? And this is what ChatGPT had to say. What is countryside with a Polish sense of elegance? Abo? So I'm like, a countryside. What is the countryside? As we know, like for people who love to watch the American movies, the vibes, when we're talking about the countryside, it's those people who love the cowboyish, cowgirlish, the types of vibes, farm side, the vibes. And even in South Africa, we do have people who live in the countryside. I do not know where it is located, but we have those white people who, dress like that, the vibes, countryside, they listen to their music, about cowgirl, cowboy vibes. So I'm wondering, uNomuzi kupete kuphi, isilungu or designer or what? And Nomuzi must truly explain to us what was going through her mind when she decided to wear that outfit, because it doesn't make sense, really. It doesn't make sense at all. And people who are agreeing with her, do you mean ukuthi wonke umuntu angaqoka into wrong ngoba uNomuzi ayi-1 wafika nesitayela sakhe? Do you mean that everyone did not understand the theme? Why is everyone wearing cowgirl and cowboy vibes and then Nomuzi and Yovela ayi-1 agqoke ezakhe? I wonder what was going through her mind when she saw people who already came early Durban July. Now ngizihlalele ekhaya. Maybe she wanted different anyway, asazi